Ignite creativity not with expensive materials or flawless finishes, but with a curious eye and an open heart willing to see beauty where others see waste. In today's world of fast consumption and mass-produced decor, forgotten industrial scraps quietly wait for someone bold enough to give them a second life. Welcome to Kuki Decor, where we believe every rusted bolt, weathered metal plate, and discarded industrial fragment carries a story worth retelling. This video invites you into a creative journey where overlooked materials are transformed into modern, personalized home decor that reflects character, sustainability, and individuality. Imagine walking through an old workshop or storage yard, surrounded by cold steel, chipped paint, and worn textures. To many, these are signs of decay, but to a creative mind, they represent possibility. Industrial scraps, once part of machines, tools, or structures, hold a raw honesty that new materials often lack. Their scratches, dents, and patina are not flaws, they are visual memories that add depth and authenticity to modern interiors. By blending these rugged elements with clean lines, thoughtful composition, and intentional craftsmanship, we transform forgotten materials into decor pieces that feel both contemporary and deeply personal. Modern design thrives on balance, and when industrial textures meet minimalist aesthetics, the result is a powerful visual harmony that elevates any living space. As you watch this transformation unfold, notice how industrial metal evolves into striking wall art, how aged components become sculptural accents, and how discarded fragments find new purpose as functional decor. Each piece is carefully shaped to enhance its natural character rather than erase it, allowing the material's history to remain visible and meaningful. This creative process is about more than decoration, it is about storytelling. Every industrial scrap once played a role in human labor and innovation, and through thoughtful design, that history is honored rather than discarded. Modern personalized home decor created this way carries emotional weight, turning ordinary rooms into expressive spaces. One of the most powerful aspects of industrial upcycling is uniqueness. No two scraps are ever the same, and that individuality becomes the foundation of each decor piece. In a world filled with identical products, owning something truly one of a kind brings a sense of connection and pride that mass-produced decor can never match. Lighting plays a crucial role in enhancing industrial decor. Soft shadows emphasize textures, while strategic placement highlights natural imperfections. The interplay between light and material transforms simple scrap-based creations into bold visual statements that command attention without overwhelming a space. Industrial decor can be dramatic or subtle, depending on how it is styled. A large metal wall piece can become the focal point of a modern living room, while smaller industrial accents add character to shelves, desks, or entryways. This flexibility makes industrial scrap decor suitable for both minimalist and expressive interiors. At Kuki Decor, we believe homes should reflect the people who live in them. Personalized decor made from industrial scraps allows creativity to shine through, turning living spaces into reflections of personal taste, values, and imagination. These pieces don't just decorate a home, they tell a story about sustainability, creativity, and mindful living. The transformation process itself is deeply rewarding. Cleaning, shaping, arranging, and refining industrial materials requires patience and experimentation. Each step invites the creator to engage with the material, discovering its strengths, limitations, and hidden beauty. This hands-on connection makes the final piece even more meaningful. Modern home decor often seeks perfection, but industrial upcycling celebrates imperfection. Rust, uneven edges, and worn surfaces are embraced rather than concealed. These elements add soul and authenticity, reminding us that beauty often lies in what is real and unrefined. And right here, if you're feeling inspired by the creative transformations unfolding on screen, this is the perfect moment to pause and invite you to subscribe to Kuki Decor. If you love sustainable decor, creative reuse, and modern design made from forgotten materials, subscribing helps you stay inspired with our daily videos and supports our creative journey. Now, returning to the process, industrial scrap decor also bridges the gap between art and function. Some pieces exist purely as visual expressions, while others serve practical roles as shelves, lighting fixtures, or storage solutions. This blend of form and function makes industrial decor both beautiful and useful. As each finished piece finds its place in a modern home, it carries with it a sense of transformation. What was once overlooked now stands proudly as a design feature. This shift in perspective encourages viewers to rethink their own surroundings and see potential where they once saw waste. Industrial scrap decor also promotes a more sustainable lifestyle. By reusing existing materials, we reduce waste and extend the life of resources already in circulation. Creativity becomes a powerful tool for environmental responsibility, proving that sustainability and style can coexist. The emotional impact of these creations is undeniable. Knowing that a decor piece was once discarded adds depth and meaning to its presence in a home. It becomes a reminder that renewal is always possible, not just for materials, but for ideas and perspectives as well. As the video continues, the message becomes clear: creativity is not limited by resources, only by imagination. Turning forgotten industrial scraps into modern personalized home decor is more than a design choice. It is a mindset rooted in innovation, sustainability, and self-expression. Each piece showcased represents the belief that beauty does not need to be new to be valuable. With vision and care, even the most overlooked materials can become extraordinary. This philosophy lies at the heart of everything we create and share at Kuki Decor. As we reach the end of this creative journey, we hope this video has sparked new ideas and encouraged you to look at industrial scraps with fresh eyes. Let it inspire you to experiment, create, and redefine what home decor can be. Thank you for watching, for supporting creative sustainability, and for being part of the Kuki Decor community. May this transformation ignite your creativity and remind you that with imagination and intention, even forgotten materials can become something truly beautiful.